Okay, today what we want to talk about is finding the discriminant. Okay, the discriminant is going to help us figure out how many solutions that we're going to have when we're looking at a quadratic equation. So up to this point, what we've done is we've tried to factor it out by solving by using the square, solving by factoring. And what we've come up with is when we go ahead and do that, we come up with no real solutions, or we've called it prime. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our discriminant to help us determine how many solutions there are. Okay. Now the discriminant is basically b squared minus 4ac. All right, so when we're looking at a quadratic equation, well, let's go ahead and take a look at our notes. If we go ahead and we put in our first example where we have the equation, and we go ahead and take the numbers from the equation and put them into the discriminant, we end up with a negative value. When you have a negative value after using your discriminant, you're going to have no real solutions. Okay, you're going to have no real solutions. And let's go ahead and think about it. In class today, what we did is we used the quadratic equation. And part of the quadratic equation was plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And if we have a square root of a negative number, well, that's an imaginary number. Therefore, it would be no real solutions, okay? If our answer is 0, then that means we only have one real solution. All right, that means it's going to, our one solution is our x-intercept. And then if we have a positive number, that means we're going to have two x-intercepts. So let's go ahead and try this out. It's not that hard. That's why you received additional homework this evening as well. So I have 5x squared. I'm going to say plus 13x plus 5. So now I'm going to go ahead and substitute my values into the discriminant, and it's b squared minus 4ac. So b squared is going to be 13 squared minus 4 times 5 times 5. Should look a little bit familiar. So I have, let's see, 169 minus 100. And I end up with an answer of 69. Now going back up to the rules that we have up here, and it says if the value is positive, then we have two x-intercepts. And there we go. That's using the discriminant to figure out how many solutions you have. Thank you.